so I don't really like talking too much, but I wanted to do the comparisons. First of all, you can tell by the box that this one is fake, but I mean, you get what you pay for. This one I paid €100 because I got it as part of the student deals on apple.ie. This one I got is from AliExpress, where my dad sent me a link to get it for him, and it was like around €9.80, like literally. And first of all, I can tell different by the weight. So this one, the real one, it's a little bit heavier because I think it built with like better quality plastic, and like the AirPod, like the pod itself, it's pretty sturdy. So as you can see, you can't really tell the difference. It's just like a few little detail inside, and then at the back it said like designed by Apple in California, but then this one is like nothing. So you can tell like when I do this at the back it's kind of flip around, but bear in mind it's only like less than €10, and the shop apparently is already closed down on AliExpress, so I can't really send you the link. But my dad literally just searched for like wireless earphone. He didn't expect to get AirPods, but this one was literally the cheapest. Inside the box you have like plain basic plastic with instruction and the lining cable, which is pretty cool. It's like the real one. The real box, you get all of these like Apple AirPods, all the instruction, bigger one, and then some like other languages, which is pretty cool. If you want to see the full unboxing, I'll link them up above in the icon. And then this plastic is sturdy, but we're not gonna use it, you know. I already took out the charger, and then we have like the tip that you could like change, which is like medium, large, and small. I think I have the small one on, and it's still pretty big. So I have tried both on, and literally, I'm not gonna lie, I prefer the fake one. It's a little bit more snug and light, and because I don't think it has the transparency mode, my ear doesn't get blocked as easy. So I'm going to compare the fake one to the real one. As you can tell, both have the alphabet to distinguish between the left and the right hand side. The earbud on my right, which is the real one, look a bit bigger, and it has like that tiny black sensor, but the left one does not. But overall it just look the same. I can't even tell the difference, to be honest. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I connect the fake one. You just have to pop off the lid, and then it will just connect right away. It has the name set as AirPod Pro, which you can also change later, and it has the media control thing, but it doesn't really work when I try to do transparency mode. The percentages and stuff does show, but it's not really that consistent, so you just have to pop on and off the lid quite often. But overall it works. It's great, like, for the price. And then now I'm gonna show you guys the real version. You just have to pop on the lid. It doesn't really come up straight away, but it has my name on as like Suranya AirPod Pro. Now I'm putting the case on the fake one just to show you guys if it does fit or not, and it does. It looked pretty real to me, look legit, so it's up to you whether you want to get the fake or the real one, but you know, less than €10.